Welcome to Bike Empire. Welcome back to Bike Empire. Today we're taking a quick but complete look at one of India's most trusted commuter motorcycles, the Hero HF Deluxe, a bike known for reliability, mileage, and affordability. Design and build quality. The Hero HF Deluxe features a simple yet practical design. Its clean body lines, comfortable seat, and durable build make it ideal for daily commuting. The lightweight frame helps in easy handling, especially in city traffic. Engine and performance. Powered by a 97.2 cubic centimeters air-cooled engine, the HF Deluxe delivers smooth and dependable performance. It's tuned for everyday riding, offering refined power delivery and low maintenance, perfect for both city roads and rural use. Mileage and efficiency. Mileage is where the Hero HF Deluxe truly shines. With excellent fuel efficiency, it's one of the most economical bikes in its segment, making it a favorite for riders looking to minimize daily fuel costs. Comfort and ride quality. The upright riding posture, soft suspension, and well-padded seat ensure a comfortable ride even on long journeys. It handles rough roads confidently, keeping the ride stable and stress-free. Features and safety. The HF Deluxe comes with essential features like an analog instrument cluster, reliable braking system, and sturdy tires. Its focus is on practicality and safety rather than flashy tech. Final verdict. The Hero HF Deluxe is a perfect choice for riders who want a no-nonsense, fuel-efficient, and dependable commuter bike. If reliability and low running cost matter most, this motorcycle continues to be a solid winner in its class.